Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adil Zaini bin Hamzah, and today I'm going to talk about the 6 basic principles of Takaful contract. The first basic principle of a Takaful contract is permissible Takaful interest, or we can say it as PTI. Permissible Takaful interest means a concept that describes the relationship or interest between the insurer or the Takaful company and the persons covered, or we can say it as the insured, where a loss of the person covered will result in the Takaful company financial loss. It means the master contract holder's economic or financial loss in the coverage of the applicant who incurs indebtedness to the master contract holder by acquiring financing through the master contract holder's financing scheme. The second basic principle of a Takaful contract is the utmost good faith. The utmost good faith is a doctrine that also known by its Latin name as uberrime fide, or we can say that as a minimum standard legally obliging all parties that entering a contract. We have to act honestly and not mislead or withhold a critical information from one another as the person who is insured by the Takaful company, and also by the Takaful company as one party between the partners. We need to act honestly and share our information, our business structure and so on. So there is no secret or there is no anything behind that is not known to between the insurer and the insured, between the insurer and also the insured. It applies to many everyday financial transactions and is one of the most fundamental doctrines in insurance and Takaful law. Thirdly, there is indemnity. What is indemnity? Indemnity is a comprehensive form of Takaful compensation for damage or loss. When the term indemnity is used in terms of the legal sense, it may also refer to an exemption from liability for damage. Indemnity is a contractual agreement between two parties. In this arrangement, one party agrees to pay for potential losses or damage. Fourthly is the proximate cause. Proximate cause is concerned with how the actual loss or damage happened to the insured party and whether it resulted from an insured peril. It looks for is the reason behind the loss, or is an insured peril or not. The doctrine of proximate cause is one of the 6 basic principles in a Takaful contract. Fifthly is the contribution. A Takaful contribution means the money payable by the Takaful participant to the company for the Takaful coverage provided. The Takaful coverage provided may be in the Takaful certificate, which includes any remuneration for the functions and duties assumed by the Takaful company. The amount is stated in the Takaful contract or the Takaful certificate on its information page. And last but not least, the subrogation. What is a subrogation? It is also a principle of Takaful, stating that in case of a third party causing damage to the subject matter insured, then it is the right of the Takaful company to step in the shoes of participant and claim recovery from the third party after having compensated the participant. Okay, that's all from me, and I hope after watching this video, you all can know a bit about the 6 basic principles of a Takaful contract. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.